Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Visual Studio Code and then adding an XML extension like Red Hat XML so the editor understands schemas and validation. Once done, open the project folder and create a new XML file. Make sure the language mode shows XML in the status bar. You do this because extensions provide autocomplete, validation, and schema support, which save time. Finally, set workspace settings for format on Save and Associate XML if needed so editing feels instant and consistent. Next, configure the extension. Add your XSD or schema URL in extension settings so validation finds types and attributes. Then enable format on Save, autocomplete, and auto-closing tags to reduce manual fixes. You should run linting from the extension or command palette to catch structure errors. Use Format Document or its keyboard shortcut to tidy the file. If you need to preview, install an XML previewer or use an integrated terminal to run xmlint for deeper checking. Finally, validate your XML against the XSD and inspect the Problems panel for precise line and column errors. Fix them and revalidate. You can preview XML with a preview extension or transform to HTML using XSLT and open in a browser to confirm rendering. If things go wrong, verify the namespace URIs, file encoding, UTF-8, and that the schema path is correct. These are the usual culprits. If validation still fails, restart VS Code and rerun the linter to clear cached schema mappings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.